Welcome to the Millsurf Mike channel. I just got done getting my tractor hooked up. I was working on cutting some shooting lanes again and cutting some firewood and stuff out here on my land. And one thing is that when I'm out here, I'm kind of out here by myself. I mean, I got some neighbors, but still, I mean, who knows if they're home or not. So one thing I always take with me when I go shooting, or like when I'm cutting wood, with the chainsaw, or if I'm brush hogging, as you see, I had it on my my gear shift on the tractor. So I have this little med kit, and you might remember that I showed it off, that I purchased it in one of my acquisition videos. I actually have a couple of these. I keep one in the truck and I keep one in my car, and it's just a gunshot kit, but I mean, it's a good medical kit to have for just about anything. So here, let me get this camera set up here a little bit and maybe take a look at what's inside it. So it's a nice little med kit. It's real handy. Like I said, I'll throw it on the tractor or throw it in the wheelbarrow when I go cut wood. It has a CATS type tourniquet in it. Looks like a just a hemostatic agent. Has an Israeli bandage, and it's got some shears, got some gauze, so got some more gauze, some prep pad, some tape. So it's just a basic kit, but it's like if you cut yourself with a chainsaw or you shoot yourself accidentally, it's especially good to have the tourniquet, or like an Israeli bandage. So anyway, it's just a simple gunshot kit. Let me know if you take anything out with you in the comments whenever you go out. Like I said, I think it's important whenever you go shooting to have something with you. At the very least, have a CATS tourniquet with you. So it's just a quick little video. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.